Hi everyone, that's me back again. Today is gonna be a fun one. I saw a video of Nikki Tutorials and Soft Does Life. Actually, I think Soft Does Life did the first one, and it's one deep makeup challenge. Let's just try and see what happens. I first off don't have a primer which is deep primer, so the only thing which came to my mind which I can use is this one from L'Oreal, and this is their infallible matte primer. It's with a pump, so I will just use one pump and hope for the best. But let me just try to apply this in the center of my face mainly. Okay, so far so good. Next up, I will mix some foundation on my small palette here. The way I'm gonna do this, since I don't have a deep foundation, like with a doe foot or something, I'm gonna use this Maybelline one, because I need coverage, definitely. How I'm gonna do this? I'm just gonna grab all of it if possible. I'm just dipping once. Oh man. Ah! No, I had to do this with a brush. You know what I realized just now? I usually apply this foundation with a brush and then I tap it with a, with a sponge. Why I didn't take the brush? I need some coffee here. Should I start off with a primer? Eye primer. One dip. Yes. So far so good. I think I want to use my finger probably. Yes, why not? I am moving on to concealer, the Revlon one. It's a doe foot. I usually don't use so much concealer, so this should be enough. Let's see. You know, I'm most worried for the eyeshadows. I'm in no way near to any of the girls like Nikki Tutorials and Soft Does Life, like makeup skills I mean, especially Nikki Tutorials, so. Here we go to the powder. I haven't used this powder before, but I trust them. Catrice, don't disappoint me. Nude Illusion Loose Powder Transparent Matte, this one. Alright, let's see what happens. I have some powder here on my, you know, lid thing. Okay, I'm dipping with my sponge and see. I hope I'm gonna get enough product to set my entire face and my eyes. Come on. How exactly did you? No! Oh my god, why? Don't fall down. No. You must be joking, really? That's against all my rules. Like, never apply too much product all at once. There we go. And my lashes are with powder, full with powder. Okay, let's move on to, what should I move on to? Eyes? Eyebrows. For eyebrows, I decided I'm gonna use the Tattoo Brow from Maybelline, this one, the pomade. And I dip once, and I'm gonna dip on both sides of the brush just so you know I'm not cheating. Now how the heck am I supposed to apply this? No. Slowly. Slowly. Oh shit. You see, it's trying to crumble off. No. Oh. This is not fair. This part of my eyebrow is 4 times darker than here. That's it, I can't do much about it. It's dry, completely dry. Okay. So, next thing is eyes. I think I'm gonna try to play smart here. It's the Carnival palette XL Pro from BPerfect and Stacey Marie. I believe it's the only palette in my collection, small tiny collection, I mean, which will give me the pigmentation which I need. And I think I'm gonna try to use this one here. The name is Makeup in the Crease. And let's see, I am swirling around my brush. Oh no, don't destroy the eyeshadows. Come on. So I can get as much pigment as possible. Oops. Okay, go, 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 go. If this bugger doesn't blend, I mean they blend beautifully, the eyeshadows, if you use them properly. There is nothing on my brush. Not so bad. Now, next up, I think I want to use darker shade. I want to go for something just a bit warmer. This one or this one? Now, you know I'm gonna try with this one. The fallout is ridiculous, by the way. I don't know how. Oh man. I need to get rid of this mirror. I can't see anything. Say hi
Hello, it's me.
to them.
Moje kaska. Moje kaska.
Okay, it could be worse anyway. And I think if I keep messing up, it's gonna get worse and worse. Next up, I'm moving to Temptation, this one. I think I'm gonna dip with my finger and then blend it with a brush. Okay, let me just dip well with my finger. No, it's crumbling. As soon as I blink, it's crumbling on my face. It's all over my face here. Just the fallout is unbelievable. Okay, let me just try to, I don't know, can you see something from the mirror? Probably not. Let me try to blend here a little bit. I mean, I can try to go back with the bigger one. Not so bad, not so bad. Reckless. I'm dipping in the same shade, but now I will tap off the excess, because my whole face is gonna be pink, purple. By the way, I have so much fallout in my eyes, and I don't know if you can see how watery my eyes became. I want something in the inner corner. What though? Like, I remember Nikki said that Soph's video, Soph's makeup looked so easy, but it was so hard for Nikki. Can you imagine for me? But it looks better. Now I want something in my waterline and the eyeliner, which I don't know. Essence Super Last Eyeliner, waterproof. That's gonna be just this, and let's see. The good thing though is that with my hooded eyes I can't do anyway, I can't do big wings, so I should have enough, I hope. If I don't mess with the eyeliner, everything is gonna be perfect. Now I will move on to the gel liner from Estee Lauder for the lower lash line. That's too much, that's too much, that's too much. Like I want to line the waterline and tight line the upper lash line as well. My eyes are watering big time. Okay, I'm taking the pointy brush with nothing, I didn't apply anything else. I'm just gonna try to blend this thing. Moving on to mascara, and by the way, I'm not gonna use false lashes. I just don't want to use false lashes today, just now. So I have just this on my brush. Oops, and my lashes are sticking somewhere, I don't know where. Oh my god. This doesn't do anything right now because I have so much powder on my lashes that my lashes are crumbling together like a... oh my god. Nah. Okay, it could be worse. That's my neighbor's kids shouting. I don't know if they're crying, if they're screaming, if they're laughing. Anyway, I'm moving on to bronzer. I will use my all-time favorite from Estee Lauder, Bronze Goddess in the shade 03 Medium Deep. A lot. I never dip so much in this. But I need to disperse the product all over the place. I mean, with this one dip. Not so bad, by the way, yeah? Now I'm moving on to blush, and the blush which I'm gonna be using today is the one from Hot Mama, the one from the Balm, and the name is Hot Mama. I'm dipping my brush well out. I can see the powder going everywhere. I thought it's gonna be worse. I will be using the Balm again, Mary Luminizer, and I'm dipping one time well. I need to tap the places. Tap, 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 tap. Can I smash this little bit? Just a little bit. Somehow. I'm getting something here. Yes. I thought this is gonna be a disaster. That's the reason I wanted to make this video, because I thought I will be a total disaster on the 5th minute of this video. So I'm thinking for the lip, I was planning to use something darker, but then I see this thing came like, I mean, it's quite dark anyway on the eyes. So I'm thinking to go in with my favorite long-lasting liquid lipsticks. Actually, the name of the lipstick is HD Lip Tint Matte. This is what I'm getting. I should move quicker before this dries up, down, up, down. It's not so bad. No, not at all. That was it. Ah, the setting spray. Yes. The setting spray. I ran out of my favorite setting spray from Urban Decay All Nighter. I need to buy the small size. I mean, I need to buy the big size. But in the same time, I want to try something different. I'm struggling to get things sent here where I live. I was even trying to get some subscription boxes sent to me here, but mission impossible. I will use this one from NYX. It's the matte finish, Fini Matte. I don't know. I don't like it really, but it's the one next to me here. So one spray, yeah. Anyway, actually it doesn't look so bad. I thought it's gonna be a lot worse, as I told you. And that's the finished makeup. I mean, the finished one dip makeup challenge. What do you think? Don't forget to comment down below in the comment section of the video. What do you think? How do you think the makeup turned out? And do you like it? Do you not? If you don't, comment as well. And if that was fun for you guys, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and ring the bell there, otherwise YouTube won't notify you when I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.